scratch him with that cane.
I've never seen it in my life. He's going to take it. How you like it, Barkley? It's already been 4 minutes.
Oh, yeah, Mama, that looks good around my ears just a little bit. Oh, yeah. Get that ear, Mama.
That's so neat. He's loving it. Oh, it's coming off. All right, there you are, Barkley.
There he is.
How'd you like it?
That. Oh.
You want us to do it again?
Let him look in the camera.
Yeah.
Look at that big boy. That feels so good, huh?
That's what was under there.
Oh, look at him turn his head.
Our child.
He's like, oh, yeah, get that ear.
Work that ear, Mama.
Oh, work that, yeah. Work that ear. Look at him push against it. That's our hound dog, baby.
That's being worked over with a cane right there.